The Hox genes are a family of genes that are instrumental for embryonic development, and they dictate the body plan of animals from their heads to their tails. So if a Hox gene is misregulated or mutated, it can lead to all sorts of developmental malformations and even complications of disease. Planaria are freshwater, highly regenerative flatworms. Some of them propagate through sexual reproduction, but others propagate solely through asexual reproduction. When a planaria asexually reproduces, what it does is it literally tears off a piece of its posterior tissue through fission that will go on to regenerate into a clone of that parent animal. And as a result, these animals never undergo embryonic development. They're obligate adults. So in this case, we have a simple system where you can understand Hox gene function in an adult context. If this animal is an obligate adult that never undergoes embryonic development, why does their genome still retain Hox genes? Back in 2019, we found that this animal that had been historically designated unsegmented actually had a hidden form of segmentation, and it was instrumental to its ability to asexually reproduce. When the animal tries to tear off a piece of tissue, it stretches its body and snaps it off at exactly the point where these segments are generated. Now we know that Hox genes are intimately related with segmentation in embryonic animal body plans. So we thought that perhaps this adult form of segmentation could be utilizing Hox genes as well. So what we did was we knocked down all the 13 Hox genes in planaria, and we discovered that actually 5 of them were critically required for asexual reproduction. In fact, 2 of them had opposing regulation of the process. When we knocked down the gene Hox3, it caused the animal to have additional segments and to keep trying to reproduce over and over again asexually. In the opposite case, with the knockdown of post2b, another Hox gene, this eliminated segmentation in the animal and also eliminated the asexual reproductive behavior. By showing that Hox genes have unsuspected roles in functions that are exclusive to adult animals, this extends the definition of what Hox genes do and may help us to understand their contribution to normal adult health or in the context of disease.